guys, what's up? Finally, a setup tour. Here we go. Outside the garage right now. Everything that you want to know about is through this door. Guys, drop me a like for the sick content you're about to see. You ready for this? Let's go. Wagwan fam! So over here in the corner we've got loads of random stuff that needs to be sorted out. I've got my guitar. I sort of remembered it, it's well out of tune. Here we go. So what else we got? We got loads of just random stuff like...
Wait, stop.
I've got my Clone Hero guitar for when we occasionally play Clone Hero Guitar Hero, which is sick. And just a bunch of random like poles and stuff for like if I use my green screen and... Bloody, I brought loads of these for my desk because I wanted to mount my monitors, but I ended up buying like loads of them that I don't need. So I've got spare parts. If anyone wants to buy any, moving on, we've got the back part here, which is what I like to call the adult-only section. We've got apple juice, and we've got non-alcoholic orange juice at the back as well. We've got the Joker just sitting here chilling out. He's having a good time. With the RPG, which is a present from Hayden, who also streams, the big red monkey. Drop him a follow. We've got the Spider-Man, the thing that Holly got me for my birthday like 2 years ago. We've got the Thanos cup, which at the moment I use to store my... You know, like whenever someone subscribes to something, it prints a receipt or gives me 100 bits. I put them all in here. It's bloody chock-a-block. Thanks guys for the donations, I appreciate it very much. We've got the mini fridge, which is where I occasionally put drinks that I've got. Like my orange and apple juices, occasionally dig them in there. Oh, it's freezing there, something turned on. This is where normally the lights are lit up, but at the moment they're not plugged in because, you know, setup tour. Who plugs stuff in? We've got the main... No. We got the secondary feature.
Wait, hang on, do that.
We got the secondary feature of the whole stream, which is the sofa, where I do front flips, yo! Ah! We've got Jerome and Mr. Nips chilling out. The bubblegum ball, which is 1 year and 9 months old. No one's ever gonna make me drink that bad boy. And the sofa, which we got for free off of Gumtree. Well, good. Holly got it. Holly sorted that out. It's nice. Right, next we've got my side desk, which I purchased off from Holly for £20. What a good use of money that is. Don't even use it at all. I have my gloves on here just in case it gets too cold, even though these are too thick, so I can't even like wear them because I can't do anything on my mouse and keyboard. Kind of pointless. We got the best glasses of all time. Ah! I just cut my head with that. The Edith Tony Stark glasses, which Spider-Man wears.
Edith, turn off the drones!
The main stuff. Where the streaming, this is where it all comes from. It's this looking nice. We've got my microphone here, very beautiful. Very good quality microphone. One of the cheapest mics I've ever brought actually. Everything that I have here will be linked in the description below if you're ever curious. We've got the stream deck, which is nice. I've got my laptop over here, which is looking nice, you know, a really good laptop. Does me well. This is what I stream from. And then I've got my gaming computer underneath, which is what, look at the wires, lol. Which is what I use to, I play games on, and then it's connected to this this bottom monitor here, which is my gaming 144Hz monitor. Above it I've got a 2K 32-inch monitor, which potentially I may change up, I'm not sure, but at the moment that's what it's looking like. I got my light here, which gives that awesome focus on my face when I'm standing up, and also like a nice background darkness when I'm streaming, which is really nice. Printer in the top right hand corner, so whenever someone subscribes or gives me 100 bits or something, prints out the receipt so I can rip it and then be like, thanks guys, appreciate it. I've got my heater over there in the corner, which is providing me the heat throughout the whole stream. Although recently it's been okay, I haven't had to turn it on because it's getting like more summery in the UK. If you're in the UK, comment below. And obviously it goes back down. Over here we got the expensive internet, what I pay like £50 a month for. Maybe I should say that, actually. It's really good, connected directly to all of my stuff, like beautiful. Even though I stream wirelessly, which is the dumbest thing to do. Over here I've got my cam link. My camera would normally go right here, but obviously Holly's using it at the moment to record because it's such a good quality camera. Normally go right there, just over the top of my laptop, just facing out. Well, I've got my speaker here as well, which I brought recently, so I don't have to wear headphones when I stream, so it just all comes out loud, which is amazing because I hate wearing headphones for a long time. I've got all my USB set up here. It's looking quite untidy, but as tidy as I can get it. Not very good at organisation. The plug's in the back over there. We've got my other webcam up here, so this is the front flip cam, what you see sometimes on the stream. Aims down there. That's pretty much it. I've got my 2 keyboards and my 2 mice to go with my 2 computers, my laptop and my gaming computer. Plugs under there, proper unorganised. Spare TVs over there to the side. That's pretty much it, I guess.
What do you say about your chair?
Got my chair, which I've had for like 5 years, and I don't see myself changing because it's just an OG chair. And there's no, I don't like those gaming chairs because they're too like, you have to sit upright, and I've got bad posture, and I like a bad posture chair. I've got my blue screen here as well, just in case I ever want to use that. And behind that, me and Holly put up loads of sheets and like black cloths, try and get rid of the well, not soundproof it, but to try and get rid of the heat. And maybe it adds a bit of soundproof. I don't know. You can still hear me from outside the garage, though, can't you? Neighbours complain. No, they ain't complaining. That's pretty much the setup, guys. That's everything that we got. Hopefully soon, one of Holly's family friends is going to sort out this and make it like a room. So Holly's gym area will be one room, and then this area here will be another room. So we'll have 2 different rooms, and I won't need like a heater or anything because it should be like nice and warm and insulated. Make sure you follow the camera woman Holly on YouTube as well. Links in the description. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe and follow me on Twitch because this is where the magic happens. And that is where the magic takes place. Have a nice day. Thanks for watching. Goodbye!